Have you heard of pycnogenol? It's a powerful antioxidant you may not know about. Pycnogenol is extracted from the bark of the French maritime pine tree. This natural extract is packed with beneficial plant compounds like procyanidins. These compounds give pycnogenol its incredible ability to fight free radicals and reduce inflammation throughout the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that damage cells and contribute to aging and disease. Pycnogenol neutralizes these harmful molecules, protecting your cells from oxidative stress. This protective effect has far-reaching benefits for your blood, brain, and overall health. Imagine a natural supplement that could improve your circulation, sharpen your mind, and boost your energy levels. That's the potential of pycnogenol. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into the science-backed benefits of this remarkable antioxidant. Get ready to unlock a new level of vitality and well-being with the power of pycnogenol. One of the most remarkable benefits of pycnogenol is its ability to improve blood circulation. Healthy blood flow is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell in your body. Pycnogenol achieves this by increasing nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is a molecule that relaxes blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily. This vasodilating effect has been well documented in scientific studies. By improving blood circulation, pycnogenol can help lower blood pressure, reduce the risk of blood clots, and enhance athletic performance. Improved blood flow also means increased oxygen delivery to your organs and tissues. This is crucial for optimal brain function, energy production, and overall vitality. Whether you're looking to enhance your workouts, combat fatigue, or simply support healthy aging, pycnogenol's ability to boost circulation and oxygen levels makes it a valuable ally. Are you struggling with brain fog, memory problems, or difficulty concentrating? Pycnogenol may be able to help. This powerful antioxidant offers significant benefits for cognitive function and brain health. Studies show that pycnogenol can improve memory, attention, and focus in both healthy individuals and those experiencing age-related cognitive decline. How does pycnogenol achieve these brain-boosting effects? It works in several ways: by protecting brain cells from oxidative stress, reducing inflammation in the brain, and improving blood flow to the brain. Pycnogenol has also shown promise in supporting those with chronic illnesses that affect cognitive function, such as myalgic encephalomyelitis, chronic fatigue syndrome, ME/CFS, long COVID, and post-viral illness. These conditions often involve chronic inflammation and oxidative stress, which can impair brain function. By addressing these underlying issues, pycnogenol may help improve cognitive symptoms in these individuals. Section 4. Scientific proof. Studies show pycnogenol gets results. The benefits of pycnogenol aren't just anecdotal, they're backed by solid scientific evidence. Numerous studies have demonstrated the efficacy of pycnogenol for a wide range of health concerns. For example, a study published in the journal Hypertension found that pycnogenol significantly reduced blood pressure in people with mild hypertension. Another study in the Journal of Nutrition showed that pycnogenol improved cognitive function and reduced oxidative stress in healthy older adults. Furthermore, pycnogenol has been shown to improve symptoms of allergies, asthma, and osteoarthritis. It can also enhance skin health, reduce menstrual cramps, and even protect against sun damage. The research on pycnogenol is ongoing, but the existing evidence strongly suggests that this powerful antioxidant can have a profound impact on our health and well-being. Section 5. Safety and side effects. What you need to know. Pycnogenol is generally safe for most people when taken as directed. However, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you have underlying health conditions, are taking medications, or are pregnant or breastfeeding. Some potential side effects of pycnogenol, though typically mild and uncommon, include stomach upset, dizziness, headache, and mouth sores. If you experience any adverse effects, discontinue use and consult your healthcare provider. It's important to note that pycnogenol can interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners and immunosuppressants, so be sure to discuss any potential interactions with your doctor. Section 6. Supercharge your health. Pycnogenol and beyond. Pycnogenol is a remarkable antioxidant with a wide range of health benefits. From boosting circulation and oxygen levels to sharpening cognitive function and protecting against chronic diseases, pycnogenol is a valuable addition to any wellness routine. Incorporating pycnogenol alongside other beneficial supplements can further enhance its effects. For example, combining pycnogenol with omega-3 fatty acids can provide synergistic support for brain health, heart health, and inflammation reduction. Other beneficial items for chronic illnesses like ME, CFS, long COVID, and post-viral illness include vitamin D, which supports immune function and energy production, B vitamins, essential for energy metabolism and nervous system function, and magnesium, which promotes muscle relaxation, sleep, and stress reduction. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider to determine the best supplements and dosages for your individual needs. Now it's your turn. What are your go-to supplements for boosting your health and well-being? Share your favorites in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content on natural health and wellness.